In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn audio into social media posts with N8n fast and automatically. This is a super useful workflow if you record voice notes, podcast clips, interviews, or even long-form audio and want to convert that content into ready-to-post social media copy without starting from scratch every single time. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8n automation videos. Let's jump right in. First, open N8n and start by adding a Google Drive trigger node. This is the node that will listen for new audio files coming into your Google Drive, so the workflow can begin automatically the moment a file is uploaded. In the trigger settings, connect your Google account, choose the correct drive and folder, and make sure it's set up to receive audio files. This part is important because it tells N8n exactly where to look for the new content. Once that trigger is in place, the next step is to add an AI agent node. The AI agent is what will take the audio content and turn it into useful social media posts. Think of it as the brain of the workflow. After the file is detected by Google Drive, the AI agent will handle the transformation and prepare the content in a format you can reuse across platforms. Now add a chat model to the AI agent like OpenAI. This gives the workflow the language model it needs to generate high-quality post ideas, captions, hooks, and short-form content based on the audio input. In the model settings, connect your OpenAI credentials. Choose the model you want to use and make sure it's properly attached to the AI agent node so the automation can actually process the content. At this point, your basic workflow is set up. Google Drive trigger catches the audio file, the AI agent receives it, and the chat model generates social media post content from it. From here, you can connect the output to whatever next step you want, like saving the posts, sending them to a document, or preparing them for scheduling. And that's the core setup for turning audio into social media posts with N8n. If you found this useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.